Hey, how's it going today, everybody? Today we're gonna be dipping some good old grizzly wintergreen. Grizzly wintergreen today. Just plain, it's Kayak wintergreen, or Kodiak, or however the fuck you say that. Figured we'd dip it since I've never done Kodiak wintergreen video. I've dipped it before with my buddy Devin, and as you can see, I ain't got a dip in yet, but we're about to put this sumbitch in. Here we go. It's not that bad. It's pretty good. I like it. Like it very much. As you can see part of my dip tower. It starts from here and all the way back. See it? Starts from there all the way back. And the can I pulled off to show you is bucket swamp can. Oh. Where's the son of a bitch at? Oh, fuck it. There it is. There's some Copenhagen camo cans. I wanted to show y'all that. Put those son of a bitches back. But alright. I like this. This is pretty good. For Kayak wintergreen, that's pretty good. Pretty good for Kayak wintergreen. Pretty good dip. Ain't that bad. It's a pretty good dip. Not really nicotine-y like, but if you really like that wintergreen flavor more than your nicotine, then I guess it's okay. I like that's where Grizzly and Copenhagen comes in handy. They both got flavor and a lot of nicotine. So that's why I like dipping either Grizzly or Copenhagen. But my everyday dip will be Copenhagen. But go out there and try some of this Kodiak wintergreen. Tell me how you like it. And as always, yee boots clacking. Yee bo. Go out there and get you some of that good old Kodiak wintergreen. And always keep it hillbilly, keep it redneck. Yee boots clacking. Yee bo. You heard it here, son. Stay fucking hillbilly. And I'll see y'all sons of bitches next time. Later.